Hey guys, Strange RV Tours here. This is Janet. Just to let you know, we're at Terra Starr RV Park in Eufala, Lake Eufala, Oklahoma. Okay, this is the entrance, guys. And we'll just drive on up to the gate. Alright, here's the check-in at the office. They have ice available, and everybody's been really nice. You go straight in, and they do have a nighttime registration. And at night they do lock the gates. The entrance gate is padlocked. Then the other gate is usually latched, so you can get back in if you unlatch it if it's late. So anyway, let's keep going. 10 miles an hour. Here's some storage here. Anyway. We've had a really nice day here. Detour, but this is their putt-putt mini golf, which isn't all that. So had some big storms last night, tornado warnings, that kind of thing, and things are still wet. But it's been a nice day here. They've been really accommodating. The geese. Lots of geese, waterfowl, ducks. See them flying all the time. They have barbecues, fire pits, full hookups. Look at them go. They don't like me, I guess. And Lake Eufala right there. There's a fish cleaning station. Isn't this gorgeous? Not very many people out today. Of course, it is a Monday. But they have pull-throughs, some full-timers, of course, and We used Passport America, and it's $12 a night, which was awesome. Aren't those nice, covered? There's some storage sheds over there. Let's go up to our site and I'll show you laundry facilities. Right over there is laundry in that building, and little clubhouse there. They're doing some remodeling in the bathrooms. Here's a storm shelter. Last night with the tornado warnings and stuff, we all went into the clubhouse, was watching the television just to make sure that we are safe. But you can see all the water laying around. Try to run down to the pond. Yeah, that's the storm shelter. And we thought we were going to have to do that last night, but it wasn't that bad. Talking about it, but we all ran into here, ran into the clubhouse. Yeah, the clubhouse was our safe haven last night. We were all sitting around the tables watching the news, the satellite. And apparently they're working on the decking and the pool, since it's off season for the pool. But this is pretty cool. And there's showers over here. Ooh, wind. I'm freezing. There's the boys. Girls. Which has been redone just within the last week. So you got new stalls. The tile's nice. It's all clean. It's gorgeous. I guess it's more important to girls than guys, but yeah, play area for kids. You got basketball, tennis. There's a tetherball. See, neat little play area. And then walk around to the laundry, which worked really good. So 4 and 4. All right, an ironing board. Way to go, huh? Anyway. Okay guys, this is the private pond. that I was fishing at yesterday, and the rains, it's got kind of soggy down there, but I saw people with their golf carts running right down the hill right by the water. Now it looks kind of wet, but they have a nice facility here. You can have your own private little event with hookups, a nice smoker and barbecue, and this whole open building here. It's nice if you're going to have a big get together. But there's the RV park over there. But you just go down the trail by the fence here and come to the pond. Hey guys, Strange RV Tours here, Janet. I hope you liked what we did. So do that. Hit the like and hit subscribe if you like all the stuff we do. And notification bell is there too. So join us, you guys. It's kind of windy right now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, see you guys. Thanks.